What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're going to be drawing the Brat from Fortnite. Let's get started at the top of our page with the glasses. We're going to start on the left side and draw a straight line from left to right all the way across. Let's flatten off the ends with a short line and then we'll close off the bottom with another straight line. And then we're going to draw two half circles on either side, leaving a gap in the center. Let's start back on the left side and come down towards the bottom, and then we'll just pull that back up. Let's line this up on the right side, go down towards the bottom, and then back up on the right side. And then we'll draw the bridge of the glasses. Starting on the left side, we're going to curve up and then down. Let's move back out to the side and draw the arms of the glasses. Starting from the top corner, we're going to step down, draw a short line going out, come down the side, and then we'll pull that back in. And then in line with the bottom edge of the glasses, we're going to move to the center and draw the top of the mouth. Draw a straight line from left to right, and then we'll go back to the left side, curve down toward the bottom of the mouth, and then back up on the right side. Let's add the tongue. Starting back over on the left, I'm going to curve up the middle, and then back down, and then fill that top area of the mouth in black. Now going back to the top of the glasses, we're going to step up and draw the bottom edge of the hat. Starting back on the left side, I'm going to curve up, and then down on the right side. Now going back to the left, we'll draw on the top of the hat. Draw a large half circle. Start by going straight up, rounding at the top, and then coming down on the right side. And then from the bottom corner of the hat, we're going to step in and draw a straight line coming down on top of the glasses on the side. Let's add some detail to the hat. We're going to start at the very bottom with that strap. Starting on the left side, we're going to draw a straight line. Do the same thing on the right. Now we're going to connect the tops with that same curve, going up and then down. And then from the top corner of the strap, we're going to step in and draw a half circle. Let's start on the left, going up and then down. And then we're going to add that tag on the right side. Starting from the top corner, we're going to angle down and in, and then come down and then back out. Let's add that trim along the bottom of the hat. Starting from the left corner, we're going to step up and just trace that curve, coming back in behind the strap. And we'll continue out on the right side. We're also going to add that trim around this half circle. Stepping out, just go all the way around and then back down on the right side. And we'll also add a trim along the inside of the strap. From the top corner, we're going to step in, just trace along the top, going in behind the tag, come down on the left side, and then go across towards the right along the bottom. And then we're going to add a series of small circles along the inside of the strap. Starting on the left, draw a small circle, leave a gap, and we'll just continue all the way over towards the right. Let's go all the way up to the top in the center and add the button. Starting on the left side, we're going to curve up and then down. Now off to the sides, we're going to draw two smaller circles. Now we're going to continue this line underneath the glasses, going down towards the base of the head, and we'll do the same thing on the right side, the same height. And then we're going to overlap the bun on top of the head. Starting on the left, we're going to step out, curve in, and hook that down. Do the same thing on the right, going in, and then down. Let's continue this line coming down towards the bottom of the bun, straight down to right above there, and then we'll bend this out, coming down and then out towards the side. Now we're going to fold the bun around the side of the head. So from the left side, we're going to step up, curve out, down. I'm just going to pull that in and round out the bottom of the bun. Do the same thing on the right. Stepping up, curve out, round out the side of the bun, come down, and just round out the bottom of the bun. Now we're going to add the belt along the bottom. Starting on the left side, we'll curve down and up on the right, step up, and just draw that same curve going across. Let's move to the center and add the buckle. Leaving a gap in the middle, draw two straight lines, one on the left and one on the right. I'm also going to add a belt loop on either side. So on the left side, we draw two straight lines right beside each other, and do the same thing on the right. Let's move back to the side and add the relish along the inside of the bun. Starting from the top, we're going to draw a series of curves going up and then down. And vary the size of these half circles, going all the way around along the inside edge of the bun. I'm just going to bring this down towards the top corner of the belt. So do the same thing on the right. And just pull that down and out. Let's add the chain of sausages. Starting from the center, curve up, and then down towards the left. Go back to the center, curve up, and then down towards the right. Go back to the left side and curve up and out in behind the relish. Do the same thing on the right. Now from this point, I'm going to draw a short line coming down. Go to the sides, we're going to angle down and out. And then we'll connect the bottoms with another curve. Starting from the center, we'll curve down and up towards the right. Go back to the center and do the same thing on the left side. And then we'll just tuck this down and out in behind the relish. And then we'll add a wave of mustard in the center of the body. Let's start on the left side, curve out towards the right, come in, out, and then across towards the center. Let's round out the tip of the lines. Starting at the top, just going to pull this back in, do the same thing along the bottom. Now going back to the top, I just want to follow the same curve coming back down towards the bottom. Going out, in, out, and then in towards that bottom line. Let's continue working down with the legs. From the buckle, I'm going to step down, draw a curve, left to right, going up and then down. Now leaving a gap in the center, go to the left side, curve out and down towards the left heel, move over towards the right, curve out and down towards the right heel. And then we're going to round out the bottom of the feet. Starting from the heel, and come down, and then bend this up towards the toe. And do the same thing on the right side. Let's round out the top of the foot. Starting from the toe, we're going to draw a half circle. Going up, just going to bend this down, aiming towards the heel. We'll stop right about there. And do the same thing on the right. Going up, and then down. And then from the inside, we're just going to curl this back up towards the inside of the leg. Let's go back to the bottom and add a thick sole. We're going to take this curve, step up, and just trace that across on both sides. And we're also going to add a toe cap. Starting from the top of the foot, curve in and then down towards the sole. And the same thing on the right. Let's add the tongue of the shoe on top of the foot. Starting over on the left, draw a half circle. Going up and then down. Do the same thing on the right. And then from the inside edge of the tongue, we curve down and up towards the inside of the leg. Now we're going to move back up underneath the bun and draw the side of the leg. Let's start on the left side, come down, and then bend that in on top of the tongue. And do the same thing on the right, coming down and then in. And then we're going to add some small tears across the knee. Starting on the outside of the leg, curve down and up. And we'll taper that back down and out. Line this up on the right and do the same thing. Now we're going to move back up and draw on the arm. Let's start on the left side, curve down and then out towards the wrist. Line this up on the right and do the same thing. Now back on the left, we're drawing the thumb. Draw a small half circle, curving in and then out. At the end of the thumb, draw a bracket. Let's do the same thing on the right. Curve in and out, and then add that bracket. And then we're going to add 3 fingers on either side. Starting from the bottom of the thumb, we'll curve down and up around that bracket. Step down, curve down and up the second finger. Now the third finger, we're just going to go out and up toward the outside of the wrist. Let's do the same thing on the right. And we'll connect the outside of the wrist to the inside with a curve, going up and then down. Let's round out the side of the forearm. Starting back on the left, curve up, just pull that into right about there. And from here we're just going to curve in and then down in behind the side of the body. And we'll draw on the top of the arm. Starting from this point, we'll go up and then bend that in behind the body. And we'll add the wristband over the left arm. Stepping up, we'll follow that same curve, coming in towards the inside. And then we'll draw two angled lines along the inside, starting from the left, come down toward the bottom, do the same thing on the right. And that's pretty much it. There's the Brat from Fortnite. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.